over the big jump. Alrighty. Dylan, no big jump yet. This is the first run. When we're about to leave, Dylan said, Cameron, do some jumps, do some rails. So Cameron's got a new coach.